Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today we're gonna plant these beautiful flower pots, and it can get really expensive quickly. And I'm gonna share my experience how you can do it on a budget. I got these planters on clearance and filled approximately 2/3 with plastic bottles before adding potting mix so it won't be super heavy. Here are a few options of plants I prepared. This tray of colors I picked up from Costco, as well as petunias. They each has 20 plants and they're only $13, $12.99 to be exact. And these guys I actually got on clearance. It was like $2 each, sweet potato vines, including this tray of petunias, also $2 each. And these caladiums I also picked up on clearance, 50% off, and I started them indoors. And of course, I had some other plants which I couldn't find anywhere on clearance, so I paid full price, but I'm not gonna regret. I just like them so much. And of course, another option is I got this from my friends who shared gladly it with me. And one more option, I grew this potato vine from sweet potatoes. You can see it over there, so if I want to, I can use this in pots as well. There is no right or wrong how we're gonna plant them, so I'm very excited to start planting, and let's get to work. This is my thinking for this one. I'm just gonna divide this into for the second pot. And this is for a smaller pot. And hello buddy, I haven't seen you for some time. Glad you were able to show up as well. Okay, let's go plant another one. Planting is all done. It kind of looks small for now, but they'll grow really quickly. And of course we have a bunch of plants left, so we'll be sharing them with plants and maybe planting plants for them. So now we're just gonna water plants and put some mulch. This is all done. I'm really excited to see it grow. And happy gardening! We had some extra plants left, and it happened we have friends who live next door, and they happen to have extra pot. So we're gonna use some of the plants and quickly plant their pot.